Welcome. In front of me I have Redmi Watch 5 Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the moon icon, and this is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. If you want to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, and here you will see a list of durations, and you have all day, 1 hour, 4 hours, and custom. If you select all day, the Do Not Disturb mode will be turned on, and it will stay on until you turn it off. If you select 1 hour, it will turn on and turn off after 1 hour. And if you select 4 hours, it will turn off automatically after 4 hours. And custom option allows you to make a schedule. So basically it will turn on at specific time and turn off at specific time. First, let's turn it on normally. So I'm gonna open the quick panel, tap on it, on the icon, Do Not Disturb mode icon, and then tap on all day. You will see the message DND is on, and the icon will get highlighted, which indicates that the mode is enabled. Then you can press the side button, and on the watch face you will also see the Do Not Disturb mode icon, which also indicates that the mode is enabled. And to disable the mode, you can open the quick panel, tap on the icon again, and you will see the message DND is off. If you want to set schedule on it, tap on the icon, tap on custom, turn on the custom option, and here we have repeat, basically on which days the schedule should be active, and you have only once, daily, and custom. If you select daily, it will work every day. Come on. Okay. If you select custom, you will be able to check the days or uncheck them. So let's say I want only Monday and Friday, so I'm gonna uncheck the rest of the days. Okay. And the start allows you to set the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode should be turning on. So if you tap on start, you can swipe up and down on hours to set the time on which the mode should be enabled. And then we have end time, so basically the time on which it should turn off. Like this. And once you're done, you can swipe right, and the schedule should be enabled. Of course, if you want to disable the schedule, you can open the quick panel, tap on the icon, tap on custom, and turn it off right here. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.